Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of social media strategy. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or content creator, mastering your social media game is crucial for success in the digital landscape. First things first, audience research is key. Understanding your target demographic is essential for crafting content that resonates. Next, content planning is vital. Consistent, high-quality posts are a must. Lastly, engagement tactics are crucial. Building a community and fostering meaningful interactions is what sets successful brands apart. Let's take a look at some inspiring brands that have nailed their social media strategy. From engaging storytelling to interactive campaigns, these brands have truly mastered the art of connecting with their audience. Ready to elevate your social media presence? Start by defining your goals, understanding your audience, and creating a content calendar. Remember, authenticity and creativity are your best friends in the digital world. It's time to take the first steps towards crafting your own winning social media strategy.